Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check transmission fluid in your vehicle. First, park your car on a flat, level surface. Make sure the engine is warm and running, with the transmission in park. This ensures an accurate reading. Now, locate the transmission fluid dipstick, which is usually near the back of the engine compartment. It often has a distinct color, like red or yellow, to help you find it easily. Once you've found the dipstick, carefully pull it out of its tube. It might require a gentle twist. Take a clean, lint-free cloth or paper towel and thoroughly wipe off all the fluid from the dipstick. This step is crucial for getting an accurate measurement. You want to ensure there's no residual fluid from the initial pull, so the second reading is precise and reliable. Now, fully reinsert the clean dipstick back into its tube until it's seated completely. Wait a few seconds, then pull it out one more time. Observe the fluid level on the dipstick. There are usually two marks, often labeled hot or full, and add. The fluid level should fall between these two marks, indicating it is at the correct operating level when warm. Beyond the level, also check the fluid's condition. Healthy transmission fluid is typically bright red or reddish-brown and clear, without any particles. If it appears dark brown, black, or smells burnt, it might indicate a problem. If the fluid level is low, add the recommended type of transmission fluid slowly, a small amount at a time, rechecking the level frequently until it reaches the proper mark.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.